Welcome to Ryobi's TV shop. I'm Amy.
And I'm Alan.
And this is Ryobi's ONE Cordless Multi-Tool. Probably one of the most versatile tools you'll ever own.
That's right, Amy. This single tool is small but mighty. It cuts, it sands and scrapes, making it the go-to tool for a multitude of DIY jobs around the home. From softwood to metal, it'll tackle most materials with ease. Now the secret is the head, which oscillates from side to side up to 20,000 times a minute.
And it's part of Ryobi's ONE+ range of over 200 cordless home and garden solutions, which are all operated on the same ONE+ battery.
The battery itself has patented IntelliCell technology, which Ryobi have developed to maximise runtime and give more power. And being battery operated and really quite small for a power tool, the multi-tool is perfect for small spaces like under the sink or the bath. Now with these two blades you can create plunge cuts at any angle or cut flush to any surface. And with 6 speed settings you will be working with precision and control.
This special offer includes tools for a multitude of jobs, 2 cutting blades, a sanding pad with 6 different sanding sheets, and the 2-amp hour battery and fast charger, saving you over £80 on buying separately. All this can be yours today for the amazing price on screen, with free delivery and a 3-year warranty. Call or order at ryobitools.co.uk/TV now.
Let's show you what this multi-tool is capable of. Now, it is brilliant for skirting, where you need to do a precise flush cut to fit laminate flooring, for example.
It's plunging straight into the skirting board there, and then it's cutting a perfect straight line. And that LED light is so helpful. That's perfect, isn't it?
It really makes the job so simple, and it works on so many different materials. Now you can see here the hole that I've cut to fit a new plug socket, and here I have wood, plastic and metal pipes. So watch this.
Wow, that's amazing. It's going straight through there. That is just so easy to do. And the best part is that these cuts are completely flush to the surface. It makes this such a really useful tool. How fast is that? You've got an amazing cut there through the plastic and the metal and the wood.
It's as easy as that, and because it goes from side to side, it's much safer. Watch this.
A balloon?
Yes, and look, even something as delicate as this, it doesn't burst it.
That's amazing. Ryobi's ONE+ Cordless Multi-Tool comes with 2 cutting blades, a sanding pad with 6 different sanding sheets, plus the battery and charger for a huge saving on the kit. You'll receive a 3-year warranty when you register your tool and free delivery, so now's the moment. Call the number on screen or go online to order yours. This is such a great tool for upcycling projects, as well as for a multitude of DIY jobs around the home too.
And it sands too.
Now, there are 6 speeds on the dial, so you can get the speed that's exactly right for the job. That is making fast work of removing all that paint from that stool. Very nice job, Alan. That looks great.
Now you're going to have to excuse me, Amy, because unfortunately the house is not going to clean itself.
Oh, good work, Alan, tidying up after yourself. Ryobi's ONE+ Cordless Multi-Tool comes with 2 cutting blades, a sanding disc, 6 sanding pads, plus the 2-amp hour battery and fast charger, saving over £80 on buying them separately. Plus, you'll receive a 3-year warranty when you register your tool and free delivery. The multi-tool kit is super versatile and will save you time, effort, and do a great job right around your home. So don't delay. Visit ryobitools.co.uk/TV or call the number on screen to order yours now.